The basic material for making paper is the wood. This production begins when the wood passes through the debarking drum. These machines will remove the bark and then be collected and burned as fuel. Finally, the wood will reduce to small pieces. The basic material for making paper is the wood. This production begins when the wood passes through the debarking drum. These machines will remove the bark and then be collected and burned as fuel. Finally, the wood will reduce to small pieces. Then, as the water is extracted, the fibers from a large roll of paper. This is pressed and passes through heated rolls, where the loss of water is removed. A chemical solution seals the paper to prevent the excessive absorption of ink during printing.
Paper is natural, biodegradable, and recyclable. And it's also a raw material that can be recycled. One of the most important negative consequences is the deforestation on the paper manufacturing. Currently, Mexico holds the 11th place in forest areas. It loses an area of forest equivalent to 23 times the size of the Zocalo in 1 hour. Forests provide 3/4 part of the Mexican drinking water. They also help to stabilize the weather. Did you know that one tree produces 3,191 sheets? And also that an average person consumes 183 kilograms of paper each year. That is the same as 3 trees per person. Paper can only be recycled from 4 to 8 times because of the polymers damaging. And how about Mexico? According to the annual national consumption, Mexicans consume 16.8 million trees a year. And now we're gonna explain the process of paper. As we can know, paper is made from trees. By recycling 1 ton of paper, we'll save 17 trees. The trees are brought to a factory. Their bark is removed and they are cut to small wood chips. The wood chips are mixed with water and cooked into a paste. The paste is bleached and other chemicals are added to give the finished paper more strength. Then the paste is flattened and the water is squeezed out. The flattened paste is dried out and becomes paper. And in the end, the strips of paper are cut into smaller sheets. But wait, paper can also be recycled to make more paper. Instead of using wood chips, used paper can be recycled into the new paper. The paper is mixed with water and cooked into paste. Recycling paper saves the energy of growing, cutting and processing trees. Recycling paper also helps reduce CO2 emissions and landfill use. And an average of forest captures of 3.5 of CO2 in 1 year. Well, that is how paper manufacturing is. So, right now, we have to be more conscious on what we do and on what we think. Because the deforestation is growing fast and the contamination is all over the planet. So we as humans have the power to decide how we have or want our planet. So be conscious and make good decisions. Thank you.